it's Lisa's birthday. And we went to get a quad bike earlier and that was the start of the day, but she still haven't had breakfast as yet. So we're going to sort out some breakfast fair now with some stuff that we found here in Greece. We never used them before, so I'm not even sure what the taste is going to be like. So I'm going to show you some of the stuff. So these eggs, I have no idea what that means. I say that must be the expiry date, the 18th of October. So we'll see how we get on, guys. Because it's her birthday, I think we're gonna give her 6 eggs. I'm joking. I'm just gonna make 3 because she's not really a foodie, even though she loves the kitchen so much. She's not really a foodie. So let me crack these eggs. I'm gonna crack. I'm very sure we got some. That's what the salt looks like, guys. Let's put it in a liquor. Normally I don't do it like this, but I use one hand. Now come on. Alright, so put in a little bit of salt. Then next little whisk. Back the pot on the fire. And get the oil. Where is it? So I don't normally do stuff with a lot of oil. Just a little bit. So oil ready now, guys. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So look at the oil. I don't use no oil when I'm doing egg and anything. Spread it all over the pot. In fact, that even look like too much oil to me. So I'm going to pour off some. Yeah. Turn down back this one. Then I'm going to pour in eggs. Beat them up. So I'm making scrambled eggs. There we go, guys. Almost done. I don't like when it's wet. I like when it's a bit dry. So I think she likes it that way as well. Well, I know she likes that. We'll fry the sausage now. Hopefully she will like it. So guys, so far we have our egg, scrambled eggs and sausage. Gonna get the bread. What the bread looks like here. Well, this is the one that we chose. It looks the softest, and we recognize this word from back home, so we say it must be good. So the bread come in the next packet as well. Go ahead and open that up. 2 slices there. Get some cheese. I'm not normally this messy in the kitchen, guys, but if I can drop this in the pot and see it a little fry. Not too long though. There you have it. Not too long, just a little thing to heat it up. There we have it, sweet squad. So we'll just get some knife and fork ready for it's awkward to work with one hand, beg your pardon, guys. So pop that for baby. see. That's it. Get some maybe strawberry juice. This juice in the shops as well. And it tastes quite good. This is strawberry juice drink that look like Agros or Argos strawberry juice drink. Just grab some of that. Yep. And that's her breakfast ready. I will take this out to her now, guys. Sweat them outside in the pool. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can see them. Mom! It's breakfast time.
Breakfast time. Breakfast time. Get it.
You gonna come out or you gonna have it in the pool?
I'm gonna sit right here.
Okay.
Have breakfast.
I think we can bring this one back in the shade a bit so it don't burn you up. So let's drag this back, guys. So she don't get burned up. It's coming out. I think that's pretty much perfect. I'll just grab a towel to spread over that as well. So, that one's wet. That one alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, I'll get you a drink on the fork. Yeah, so let me just grab this and the drink and head back out. There we have her. Oh, looking good. Looking good.
I'm having a great time, guys.
You can bring the thing up so you can put the drink on it. The strawberry drink actually tastes good.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
you're welcome, baby. I love you.
Me too.
Let me bring this stool up so you can. Which side do you want it on? Lefty or righty?
Right.
There you go. So it's your breakfast. Your birthday breakfast.
Birthday breakfast.
Yes.
Looks appealing.
Appealing.
Yeah. So let's dig in and try it, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Not too much salt.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, baby. Enjoy your breakfast.
Try your sausage.
See what the sausage is like. Alright? Yes. Alright.
It's okay. It's
Okay.
actually,
It's alright if you
tasty.
criticize it, you know, because it's not what we are used to. So
it's actually tasty. You can taste flavor coming through. Unless you put some stuff through.
no, I have no. You want some ketchup or mayonnaise or barbecue sauce?
A bit of ketchup.
Alright, let me grab it. Grab in the ketchup. Where did I see the ketchup? I saw the ketchup somewhere over here. So ketchup. There you go. How are you making a mad sandwich there?
Trying to. I'm trying to make a sandwich.
It look nice to be honest, but I haven't tasted it. I never tasted it. So there you have it, guys.
So let me try my sandwich. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Enjoy. We finished the birthday breakfast, sorry, and it was a success. She enjoying it in my background there, if you can see her. So yeah, happy about that, guys. And it was really a challenge to do it because As you know, we're in Greece and all the brands that we use to, in fact, they don't even speak English here, so it's hard to, we have to just be buying stuff from the pictures that we see and what looks appealing to us. So, thank you for watching, guys, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you like a video, then like the video. Peace from Greece.